As you can see in front of us, it is our 12 series hydroponic tower. 12 series means each layer with 12 planting holes, and this is our 12P 15 hydroponic tower. It means there are totally 180 planting holes, means you can plant 180 vegetables. It can be used for growing seedling and for most kinds of living greens such as lettuce, mint, purple perilla, etc. Now let me show you our vegetables. One of the highlights is that we upgraded the LED growth lights. The plug-in installation method makes your operation easier. And another highlight is that we also added the timer function inside, so that you can through the timer to control the lighting time and the lighting circle. As well as inside our water tank, there is also a water pump with timer function. And this is our 100-liter capacity water tank. Under considering of transportation, now we have designed a new water tank with 80-liter capacity, which can save more shipping costs. All of our water tank can equipped with wheels for easier moving. If you want to grow seedling and grow vegetables at the same time, please choose this 12P series tower.